think it ties in quite beautifully. In fact, so if I sort of address that question, it's actually along kind of similar lines, in fact. But if I come at this from maybe a sort of bank angle, what I really want to get to is a place where we've got truly frictionless payments, but frictionless in terms of for us, but also, more importantly, perhaps our clients. So to what sort of Martin said there, I'm not just talking about the payment, a payment being the consequence of something. It's that whole end-to-end journey. So, maybe a classic example of that would be sort of integration with, things like ERP systems and the like. So if I maybe address this a little bit more, I think there's some key themes that kind of come out here. And if I think about kind of what's happening generally and how it's all sort of ties together, there's kind of two themes that come out here for me when I sort of think about what's happening with the industry and this sort of movement towards ISO 222. First theme is sort of data richness and data structure. And then the second theme is around sort of having a common standard. So basically all talking the same language, that whole sort of interoperability piece.
I'm also surprised about cross-border payments and interoperability, considering the new directive coming from the G20 in terms of cross-border payments and standardization. And again, ISO 20022, the migration to all rails and scheme at the global level. And here we go. So it means that being able to send and receive payments in a short time with a cheaper fee, giving visibility to the client. It could be big billers, corporate, private citizen. So it is where there is the need of cross-border payments and standardization together with data, and of course, talking about the same standard. So I'm very happy to see that the audience is aligned on what is the need of the market now.
I think what fintech industry is doing now is being hugely innovative and driving opportunities that are exposed by these sort of standards. So I think for me, until the participants see real benefit, you've still got a 2-year window, and I'm just in the payments world referring back to the introduction of 3DS2. I mean, that's not new anymore. We've been talking about that for 5 years now. So it's really takes time for these things to gain traction. But if the community really believes there's benefits, then it will move ahead.